Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're going to check out how to manage and categorize transactions in Nerdwallet. Do you want your financial tracking to be crystal clear? Well, here's how to manage and categorize your transactions in Nerdwallet so that every expense lands in the right place. First, log into your account at nerdwallet.com, and then from the dashboard go to the transactions or spending tab. Here's where all of your synchronized expenses are listed. If you've linked your account, Nerdwallet automatically pulls in your transactions and assigns categories like groceries, entertainment, transportation, bills and utilities, as well as income. But if a transaction is miscategorized or too vague, no problem, you can fix it manually. Just click on the transaction that you want to update. A window will pop up with options to edit the category as well as rename the transaction, and you can also choose to add notes, or you could even split it across multiple categories. To change the category, click the drop down and select the correct one. Nerdwallet will often learn from your edits and apply them to future transactions from the same vendor. You can also tag transactions with custom labels like vacations or side hustle for more personalized organization. Managing your transactions like this helps to ensure that your budget, spending trends, and goals stay accurate every time. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more Nerdwallet tutorials that turn messy spendings into organized insights. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.